Adrenaline surge incoming. Firing level!
Bomb's location.
Dude, my
and
mic
defuse
was
it.
off, man. I didn't see my mic was off. This terrible aim. Bro, what is that guy doing? Come on, Dre. There's one right down there.
Drone is live.
Why'd you have to do both sides? What the hell? Just made it tough. No. Hey, someone give me.
Adrenaline surge incoming.
I'm loaded. Rocket ready!
Throwing flashbang.
Op 4
Whoa,
last
how did I get him?
operator standing. Drop the diffuser.
在床旁边，床旁边。
Op 4.
Okay, so now we're defending. No! I thought there was only one. Oh, gee. Let's reinforce. Last game wasn't great. Perfect. Now we wait.
Standing.
Woo! How did I get her?
Eliminated.
Or him? I don't know. I just did random shit. We lost one round. Forgot to press record.
5 seconds and counting.
Watch your horizon. Magnet ready.
Always works.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Clustered with Echo. Alright, go plant.
Op 4
Bruh, that's the
eliminated.
easiest
Mission
clutch.
Successful.
That was so easy.
Location and
Final
defuse.
round. Fight! Don't get spawn peek. Don't get spawn peek. Don't get spawn peek. Alright, the best way to go about this is what I do every time, but with Zofia is kind of hard, so I don't do it often. This window.
You
Go
must
up here.
recover the diffuser.
Go. And there's definitely someone stupid enough to peek.
Flashbang going in.
There's definitely gonna be someone stupid enough to try me. Come on, what today? Nobody's feeling dumb today? What the hell? Alright, whatever. Guess not.
Adrenaline surge incoming.
Okay, these two got this. Okay, we're gonna drone this place. one right there.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Hey! That was good.
哎，楼梯，楼梯，最后一个楼梯。
老 T! 老 T!
Neutralized. Mission successful.
Hey, that was great.